Alright guys, well, I hate to say it, but I'm doing another brake video. I don't know if you guys remember, but I had to shim up some of the calipers / I had to move this rotor out just to line it up better within the caliper, so the rotor's aligned perfectly within the caliper. Had a machine shop make up a set of these spacers, and they're super thin. Grab one here. So you can see they're super thin, and they're going to take the place of these, which I had them just on. You can see where I had those, and I never liked that. Obviously you're reducing the surface area of mounting of where the hub goes on. So I didn't like that part for a while, and I was just kind of waiting for to get these 5th gen rotors back on perfectly, and so that's going to require this beauty here. So I just painted it, and I cooked it in my wife's toaster oven to bake in the paint, and it's pretty hot right now, but actually it's pretty good. So we'll probably go ahead ready. We'll slip that on there. Bam. And now we'll go ahead and put this on. See here, I like to put those up. Oh man. All right. There we go. And that's that. And then we'll put the caliper back on. Hopefully it's aligned perfectly. It was on the other side. I just tried this with the other side. And this should be the last video, at least on the fronts. I do have some brake upgrades for the rear, but I don't know if I want to do that on the 9-bolt or wait till I switch to an 8.8 or a 9-inch rear. So anyway, that's another day, maybe even another year. This thing stops amazing. The other thing that I got coming up is I'm actually going to change out this 3rd gen booster for a 4th gen booster, which I have somewhere over there. It's got a little bit of a dead spot when you use the 4th gen booster. Apparently that's a known issue, so I did not know that. So I got to crawl under the car, unbolt the pedals, bolt the new one in, and bam, that's another day as well. So anyway guys, I wanted to give you a quick update on that. This should do the trick, and the fronts are ready to rock. bodies, but it's just something that it's got to come up, you know, and that's hot rodding. So you just got to feel good about how you're doing things. And for me, sometimes it takes me 2 or 3 times to get it the way I really want it. So as long as it's safe, I'll you know, I'll do iterations of it, and that's just kind of my style. So today was you know, I think finishing this up, and hopefully if this is helpful for you guys, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. That lets the internet masters of the universe know that in case anybody else is searching for brakes on a third gen. So it's